Welcome to Mini Docs for Kids, where curiosity leads the way.
Have you ever held a cat and felt a soft rumble in your chest? It sounds like a tiny motor, but cats do not have engines. So why do cats purr? Hi, I'm Alice, your explorer friend. I love discovering nature and amazing things in our world. Cats are full of surprises, and today we are exploring one of their quietest mysteries. Today you will learn what purring is. You will learn why cats make this sound, and you will discover when cats purr and what it means. Purring is a special sound cats make. It comes from inside their body. Tiny muscles move again and again. That movement makes the purring sound. Cats breathe in, cats breathe out. Each breath moves the muscles. That is why purring never stops. Most cats purr when they feel safe. They purr while resting. They purr while cuddling. Purring means everything feels okay. A purr is like a thank you. It says, I trust you. I feel calm here. I feel comfortable. Cats also purr when they are hurt or when they feel scared. The purr helps their body heal. It is like built-in medicine. The purr makes gentle vibrations. These vibrations help muscles relax. They help bones stay strong. They can lower pain and stress. Cats rest a lot when they are hurt. While resting, they still purr. So healing can happen quietly, even while they sleep. Fun cat fact: a cat can jump up to 6 times its own height. That means a small cat can leap very high, much higher than it looks. If a human could jump like a cat, they could jump over a tall house. Cats are built with powerful back legs. That makes them amazing jumpers. Let's do a recap. Cats purr using tiny muscles in their body. They purr when they feel happy and safe. And they also purr to help themselves heal. A purr is a quiet superpower. Ready for another adventure? Come explore the world with Mini Docs for Kids. There is always something amazing waiting to be discovered. Follow us for more.